If your day is just meetings about meetings, this one's for you. Welcome to the modern workplace, where the meetings are endless, the agendas are missing, and nobody knows why they're here. This is corporate limbo, and you're stuck in it. But here's the good news. It's fixable. Let's talk about why every meeting feels like it could have been an email, and how to stop wasting everyone's time. Meetings were supposed to make work easier, but instead, they've become the reason you can't get any actual work done. The average employee sits through 62 meetings a month. That's 2 to 3 hours a day pretending to care while someone shares a spreadsheet you could have opened in silence. Some meetings have 9 people. 1 talks. The rest say, "Can you repeat that? I was on mute." And don't forget the 4:59 p.m. invite. That's not collaboration. That's a hate crime. We've got "let's circle back," "quick sync," "just wanted to touch base," no agenda, no point, no escape. Let's get serious. Meetings can be useful if you have a real reason to bring people together. Ask yourself, is a decision needed today? Does this require input from multiple stakeholders? Is the problem complex enough that async won't cut it? If the answer is no, cancel it. Don't be a calendar terrorist. And just to be clear, these are not valid reasons. Just keeping people in the loop. We always have this meeting. I haven't seen my team in a while. Could this have been a Teams message and a shrug? Then do that. If you do need to meet, here are the golden rules for making sure it doesn't suck. Rule 1. Agenda required. Share it at least 24 hours ahead. No agenda? Decline the invite. Rule 2. Designate a facilitator. Not the person who talks the most, the one who knows how to steer the conversation. Rule 3. Set your clock to weird numbers. Try 25 or 45 minutes. Why? Because a 30-minute meeting runs 38. A 60-minute meeting runs over. Set it short and end it on time. You'll look like a legend. Rule 4. Define success before it starts. Finish this sentence. By the end of this meeting, we will have decided or assigned. Rule 5. Capture real action items. Assign names. Assign dates. If you don't, you're not meeting, you're loitering. Rule 6. Send minutes of meeting. Mom. The same day. Doesn't have to be long, just decisions, owners, and deadlines. And no, mom doesn't mean your mother. But if she ran the meeting, it'd probably be more efficient. Most meetings don't need to happen at all. Here's your anti-meeting toolkit. Use Loom videos for updates, use shared docs for brainstorming, use Teams polls for decisions, and take walking one-on-ones if you need a real conversation. Bonus tip. Schedule the meeting right over someone's lunch break. Watch how fast they suddenly find time for async. Here's the truth. The meeting isn't the problem. The problem is a culture that defaults to meetings instead of ownership, clarity, or trust. Meetings don't fix dysfunction. They just expose it in real time. So the next time your calendar looks like a hostage situation, smash that decline button like it owes you money. If you've ever escaped a meeting by accidentally dropping from Zoom, you're not alone. Drop your favorite excuse in the comments. Like the video. Subscribe if you've ever been stuck in a meeting that should have been a meme. This has been Why Work is Broken. I'll see you in the next episode. Unless it gets rescheduled.